Here's some popular music studies trivia. Subscribe. Which artist released the album Thriller? Is it A. Whitney Houston, B. Prince, C. Michael Jackson, or D. Madonna? The correct answer is C. Michael Jackson. Which band wrote Bohemian Rhapsody? Is it A. Led Zeppelin, B. Queen, C. The Beatles, or D. Pink Floyd? The correct answer is B. Queen. Who released Like a Rolling Stone? Is it A. The Beatles, B. Bob Dylan, C. Bruce Springsteen, or D. Elton John? The correct answer is B. Bob Dylan. What song features the line, "I will always love you"? Is it A. Mariah Carey, B. Adele, C. Celine Dion, or D. Whitney Houston? The correct answer is D. Whitney Houston. Who is recognized for the song Bad Guy? Is it A. Billie Eilish, B. Ariana Grande, C. Ed Sheeran, or D. Taylor Swift? The correct answer is A. Billie Eilish. Which country singer sang Jolene? Is it A. Taylor Swift, B. Carrie Underwood, C. Dolly Parton, or D. Reba McEntire? The correct answer is C. Dolly Parton. Who is the duo behind The Sound of Silence? Is it A. Fleetwood Mac, B. The Beach Boys, C. Simon and Garfunkel, or D. The Beatles? The correct answer is C. Simon and Garfunkel. Which pop icon sang Born This Way? Is it A. Madonna, B. Lady Gaga, C. Katy Perry, or D. Christina Aguilera? The correct answer is B. Lady Gaga. Who performed Chasing Cars? Is it A. Snow Patrol, B. Radiohead, C. Coldplay, or D. Keane? The correct answer is A. Snow Patrol. Which band is known for Sweet Child of Mine? Is it A. Nirvana, B. Guns N' Roses, C. Aerosmith, or D. Metallica? The correct answer is B. Guns N' Roses. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.